sausage?
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
So,
Yeah?
yummy.
Yeah,
So you're going to say C first. Oh.
sorry, go on.
And then she'll stop at the end and then give her a treat.
Okay, right. Along the side, yeah?
Yeah, whichever side.
Cool.
So we get ready. Okay, show her that you got the treat.
Dizzy. Right, ready? Seesaw, come on. Way! She likes sausages.
Yeah. Now we're going to need to tie her, so literally we're just going to set her up. You're going to go to the other side and we pull her through the tire by calling her name. So.
Dizzy, sausage.
Okay, great. Finally to we. Okay, so just say we.
Sausage, we.
I've got a bit of surprise for you. I've been hearing that you've got a dog.
I've got a smasher, yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name's Archie.
Okay. I think he might be here.
Have you got my dog here? How have you got my dog here?
You bringing Archie?
What? He'll attack. Come here. Archie! Archie, top nut. Cheers, man. Hey! Look at all these assholes, look! Are you #1 smasher in the world? It's got attitude. What an absolute cracker.
So we're going to do some agility with him?
Yeah, he wants to attack. Archie, do you want to see? Oh, I don't want him to do it. I just like him being naughty. Top nut! Let's do some agility. Fancy that? I tell you, he's not going to cheat. He's going to piss on something. Archie, it's your moment, right, to be on telly. You're going to nail it.
Damn right I am, sir. These pricks better recognise.
Right. Let's do this bit, the sweet mark through here, and again, I know he'd like to say a few words, because there's a particular dog that Archie hates, and he'd like to say this to the camera, wouldn't you?
Monty, if you're watching, I hate you. And I'm gonna kill you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the mystery guest. I'm going to take this smasher. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the wonderful Natasha. And for Archie Top Nut.